Four stages of menstrual cycle, they are responsible for making a woman super happy, super energetic, and super low and experiencing fatigue at times. By understanding these phases individually will help a woman to understand what to expect in individual phases, which food they can consume to manage their body and balancing hormone naturally. That can also help in conditions like painful periods, low in energy, conditions like PCOD, PCOS, and perimenopause. Hi, I'm Preeti Shah. I'm integrative nutrition health coach and my expertise in hormonal health. If you like this video helpful, do not forget to share with every woman in your life and do subscribe to my channel. First phase is follicular phase, which lasts for 10 to 16 days. It varies from person to person. I advise my clients to mark this date in their calendar. It starts immediately after bleeding. So once your bleeding is ended, you know that you are in follicular phase. In this phase, you will be in good mood, highly energetic. You will feel lighter due to suppressed appetite. You can do high intensity exercises. You will not have to put any effort to become better or feel good. Since your body on high energy, you will be able to work better in this phase. So if you are working on any project, it is best time to take important decisions. Now diet wise, your body requires estrogen support in this phase. So add healthy protein and good fat. Do not forget to add seeds like pumpkin and flax seeds. Also add pomegranate. In this phase, you will not crave more, so it will be easy for you to focus on lean protein and healthy fat. Second phase is ovulatory phase, which is between 12th to 17th day of your menstrual cycle. You can say in the middle of your cycle. In this phase, body will release egg and body can conceive. The noticeable difference in this phase is, of course, you will be high energetic, but you will also have a high sex drive because body wants to conceive. Just like first phase, you will not have to put lot of effort to be in mood. You will be high energetic. High intensity training is best in this phase. Food wise, you need to consume healthy protein and fat as per first phase. You can also add cruciferous vegetables which can help support detoxify your liver. Consuming lettuce, broccoli, kale, cauliflower will help. Third phase of menstrual cycle is luteal fall cycle. When body is unable to conceive, it starts process of releasing unfertilized egg out of the body. This phase is typically lasts from 12 to 16 days. So after middle of your cycle, you can say that 2 weeks are of this cycle. In the first half of this phase, you will be still energetic, but in the second half, it will start hitting you hard. Your craving might increase. Women who are experiencing menstrual migraine, they will also start having issues. Here, remember to not to cheat at all. Work on your light exercise, sleep well, and eat well. In this phase, do not overburden yourself with work. Try to reduce your work and do not take important decisions. Consume diet which can help you support progesterone, which is high in vitamin C, magnesium, high in vitamin B6 and zinc. Last phase is bleeding, which lasts between 2 to 7 days. Ideal cycle is 4 to 5 days. In this, you will be low in energy, depressed, low in mood, bad time to take any decision, and give support to your body and try to take rest. In this phase, you will experience highest craving, but in this phase, your body will try to balance blood sugar. So consuming food which is high in salt and sugar is not going to help you. It's going to work in adverse manner. So do not cheat in this phase at all. Your body will be low in iron and minerals. Consuming dates, peanuts, beetroot will help. Consuming vitamin-rich smoothie will give you energy. And try to do gentle exercises like yoga. If I want to summarize, first half your cycle will not be that difficult, but a week before your menstrual cycle will be super difficult. In this phase, support your body with maximum nutrition and gentle exercises. That should help. I hope this helps. Thank you.